Hello to all my friends out there. So now I want to prepare the food for my tea party. Okay, here is the amethyst necklace I bought today. I went from selling costume jewelry to natural stone jewelry. It's so beautiful. If somebody buys it, that's good. If somebody doesn't buy it, well, Ruth has a nice amethyst necklace. I really, really love it. Okay, so for my tea party, I'm having some chamomile tea. Okay, with this kind of tea, it's a mild tea anyway, so you have to brew it for a while. And I got a really good deal at 99 cents only on this. 20 bags for $1. The other one was 12. I find this would be good, so I'll just have a bit, while I'm preparing my food. I wanted to mention something. For the tea parties, I just use powdered milk for my tea. You'd be surprised how much tea and milk you can drink in a week. Plus, it's a good way to get extra milk. So I'm just going to pour a little in here because pouring is not really that easy to do without messing up my setup here. I'll just put my thing. That is the cutest creamer. Okay, so the first thing you have to make is your dessert. Okay, thank you, Pamela. I had half a cake mix left, so that was 50 cents. And I used about a 3/4 cup blueberries. I got these at Dollar Tree today. And then the last time I made a cake, I froze my frosting. I decided to make a little cake instead of cupcakes. Really, if you make a half a cake, it makes a little bit more than 6 regular size cupcakes. So, I didn't want to have to bake them twice. Why should I? I'm too lazy. So, if you have a little party or, you want to make some cake and you don't really need a big giant cake, it's easy enough to make a small one. So my money saving is going pretty good. Probably the best way to save money is find a way to earn a little bit more money somehow. I sell jewelry and collectibles. I make a little money off YouTube, not much. I mean, it wouldn't be really worth doing if you were trying to earn a living. I don't think it's possible. Well, unless you're one of those people who gets like a gazillion views. All right. Even when I have a party, if the only sprinkles I had left were orange, I would still use them. Okay, so now, I want to show you something. I'm making some fruit dip. Look, I'm making some fruit dip. But now it's the party thing. See how much cuter the fruit is if you use 2? If you want to have some kind of fruit dips, I would consider pineapple, because pineapple goes forever. I bought a pineapple for 99 cents, and this is and I want to sprinkle my pineapple with a little classical seasoning. This is good. So these would be tasty even without any dip. And so I'm making the dip now, and I will post the recipe for the dip on Twitter. But let me give you guys the dip. Quick fruit dip. I mean, this is really quick. Also, I've heard you can use honey in yogurt. So what I did to be creative is I bought a good yogurt, French style yogurt, vanilla, in this cute little pot. And the reason I did that is because then I don't have to mess up another bowl. I can just leave it in here and eat it for a couple days. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to add raw brown sugar. Okay, I buy this stuff at 99 cents only, and I just grated it. It calls for two tablespoons. With this stuff, I think 1 tablespoon is enough. So I'm going to stir my brown sugar up in here good with my little spoon, and then I'm just going to serve this with my little spoon. See how easy this is? No messes, just 1 little spoon, and then I can just put a piece of foil. Okay, I'm gonna mix this better, but you get the idea. Okay, so now I wanna make my sandwiches. Okay. I bought this healthy grain bread at 99 cents only. Since this is going to be my actual meal, I'm going to have 1.5 sandwiches. If it was just like lunch, I would have 1 sandwich. And if I don't eat it, I'm sure it's going to be good left over. So I will have some mayonnaise and mustard. And what I'm doing is, oops, I'm going to use my fish sticks that I bought at Smart and Final. I have bought, ooh, that was a mess. I have bought a lot of nice stuff this month at Smart and Final. My son's girlfriend says she buys everything at Smart and Final or Target. I'm going to check out Target too. I guess because I just don't think of Target as food, but I guess there is food in there. I will check it out, and I will tell you what I find when I find it. One thing is a no-no in my house. I don't like cheap mustard. I mean, that's not super cheap. I bought it at Smart and Final. So basically, I want some nice little sandwiches with my tea. But I want to be cheap, but I want to be artistic. Okay, here is my fish sticks. Yummy. Let me show you the bag. I got 44 fish sticks for $5.99 at Smart and Final. You know, we're all supposed to be getting more fish in our diets, but that doesn't mean being miserable about it, you know. In the day, they used to say you should eat liver also, fish once a week and liver also once a week. I might consider the liver. I'll think about the liver thing. I'm thinking about the liver thing. Okay, and then last night I bought this, and I thought this, you know what, this would make a really good fish taco, this sort of thing. Okay, so I had this chopped salad kit that I got, and it's got cabbage in it, and any kind of cabbage is pretty tasty on fish. Like, this would be a great fish taco. But I didn't want tacos with my tea. I could have, but that's not the direction I'm going into. Okay, I'll skip the corn things and the bacon bits. But where's the dressing? But what I want on here that I think is going to be good is this ranch dressing that comes with the salad. Any kind of dressing that you like could be good. So I'm being cheap. I'm being creative, of course. I'm on a creative kick. So, so as you can see, I have plenty of little sandwiches for my tea party. Okay, now, one more thing. Okay, so now what I did earlier today is I drew a diagram. So I have my sandwiches and my chips. I have my fruit and my dip, and I don't think I'm having hummus. No, I'm not having hummus. And I'm having my cake. Okay, you guys, I'll be back in a minute.